Yeah. So
Actually,
before we move on, can you please introduce yourself?
yeah, of course, ma'am. And as you know, my name is Lakshmi Yadav. I'm living in UP. Currently, I'm pursuing my graduation in English literature, and I want to be a teacher, and to be a fluent English speaker is also part of my dream. And I want to visit foreign country like USA, UK, and USA. And apart from that, I have a lot of ambition, and that's all about me. That's all about me. And you?
Yeah, so Lakshmi, I am Sarita and I am basically from Haryana, and I am graduated in science stream, and nowadays I have started my spoken English journey.
I know about you. I
That's so
know
nice
something
of you,
about you.
Lakshmi. So what are your hobbies?
My hobby is reading book, listening news. My hobby
Listening
is
to
reading
news.
book, listening news. Yeah,
Okay, that's
and
great.
yeah,
So
this is
what
my
is
hobby.
today's hot news? If you have listened to today's news.
Actually, ma'am, I daily listen news at 3 p.m. So right now I was busy in my study, so I didn't read news. And now I didn't read news. I will read today. Yeah,
Okay,
daily
okay.
I listen. Yeah, listen and read news at 3 p.m. daily.
Okay, that's so nice of you. So, what all activities you do to improve your English?
Yeah, reading, writing, speaking, and listening news and watching show in English. These are the activity that I usually do to improve my English.
That's so great of you. So, how many people you have conversed with till now?
Yeah, I have a lot of friends across the India, and even from the USA. I have talked with the Pavani ji. She's from USA, and I have experience to talk with the many YouTuber like you. So these are the people with whom I am practicing English speaking.
Yeah, that's so great, and you are speaking so well. Actually, I'll get to learn so many things from you. You are speaking so fluently.
Thank you, ma'am.
So,
Thank you. But
when did you start your spoken English journey?
yeah. Before since a month ago, I start practicing English speaking, and I am learning English since my childhood. But I started spoken English since a month.
A month ago only.
Yeah.
So great. So, you wanna be a teacher, right? You wanna be an English teacher in your future, in your professional life.
Yes.
Great. So,
Yes.
you for that you will be needing, I think, BA degree.
Yeah. B.Ed. Yeah. After my graduation, I will do B.Ed.
Okay. So, for pursuing BA, graduation is the basic requirement.
Yeah. B.Ed is basic requirement for teacher stream.
Okay. And how long it will take to complete BA? Like, what is the time span for the BA?
It will take 3 years because I am BA second year, and the course of B.Ed is 2 year, and after my graduation I will take admission, and in this way it will 3 year.
Okay, okay. But
Yes, ma'am.
I was talking to one of my friend, and according to her, I think BEd has been extended by 3 years. Is it? Is it still 2 years, or it has been extended by 3 years more?
My ma'am, in my state there is 2 years. B.Ed is 2 years in my state.
Okay, okay. That's great. That's great. So, in your family, is there any other person is a teacher, or it is you only who wanna be a teacher?
No, my brother want to be a teacher, and he is in final year in his graduation, so he's
Okay.
also want to be a teacher.
Oh, that's so great. So you people have
Yes,
a
ma'am.
focused mind about your future. That's so nice of you. Okay. So do you love to watch
Yes,
movies?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Second one is the where is my home?
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
that's great. So you prefer to watch English movies?
Yeah. Since a month
Oh,
I am watching
wow,
yes,
great.
ma'am.
And what about Bollywood movies? What is your favorite movie? Because I'm not aware about the Hollywood movies. I don't prefer to watch English movies.
Bollywood, actually, ma'am, I don't watch so much movie, but I have watched some movie, but I don't know any Bollywood and Hollywood movie, but I watch some movie that would help me in my English speaking.
Wow, that's great. So, Lakshmi, do you love shopping?
Yeah, ma'am. Of course, I love shopping.
That's great. So, do you prefer online shopping or offline shopping?
Both online, yeah, both online and offline, both.
Okay. And if I talk about the preference, then what would you
Yeah,
prefer?
prefer. I also like Western and traditional dress. Both I like both dress, and I
Okay,
prefer dress according to the situation, according to the occasion. I wear dress
that's
according to the
that's
occasion.
that's great. So you are comfortable in both Western and Indian attire as well.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
That's great. If we talk about online shopping, what is your experience in online shopping?
Yeah, I have bought from Amazon top and skirts, etc. I bought from them. So I till now I bought from the Amazon.
Okay, you have tried Amazon only. And what about other websites? You haven't tried those websites?
No. Actually, I prefer a most offline shopping. So that's why I didn't have so much experience of online shopping.
Okay. So when did you do your last shopping offline?
Yeah, offline shopping. Yeah, so 2 months ago, I did my offline shopping.
Okay, that's great. So what did you purchase?
Yeah, for casual cloth that usually I wear in home, like lower t-shirt.
Okay. That's so nice of you because nowadays it has become a hindrance to go outside and purchasing some clothes and all. We do prefer to purchase only grocery items. So that's why I was asking that offline shopping you did 2 months ago. That's very great because I prefer online shopping nowadays.
Yeah. Nowadays, usually people prefer online shopping because everything is closed and shops and markets are closed. So people usually prefer online shopping.
Okay, yeah, right. So UP is still under lockdown or it has opened?
No, it has not opened. It is gradually opening in my state, UP. So things are opening slowly. But I can't say that everything has opened now till
Okay,
now.
okay. So where are you from in UP?
In UP, I'm from Lucknow. In
You are from
Lucknow,
Lucknow.
my home. Yeah, in Lucknow, my hometown is Mercedes. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so have you visited Lucknow's Bhul Bhulaiya?
No, I didn't visited, but I have heard that name, Bhul Bhulaiya.
Okay, so do you like to travel as well?
Yeah, I like a lot traveling.
Okay, so what all places you have explored till now?
Yeah, I can't say that I explored something, but in future I want to explore the world.
Okay, you will
I
be
want
going
to
to explore the world. Yeah. That's great.
very yeah
So
yeah
what
yeah.
all countries you would like to visit? What is in your bucket list?
Bucket list. I want to visit UK and USA, and first of all, I want to explore the Kerala, and because that is very beautiful city, and that is also called the place of the god, and famous for the religion and spirituality, and so that is also for the natural beauty. So that's why I like a lot Kerala.
Yeah, me too. I also want to explore Kerala. I haven't visited that place yet, but I would love to if I'll get a chance to visit Kerala because I have heard a lot. I have seen a lot. This is so beautiful state.
Yes, ma'am. That
So
is, and there.
yes,
Yeah,
please,
yeah.
please,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
tell me.
Yeah, I have also heard that in the Kerala you don't find any food without coconut. So that is also
Yes,
called the coconut.
yes. They people prefer coconut in all their dishes.
Yeah, all dishes. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, yes. So, do you want to settle down in abroad, or you just want to go there and have a look there and then wanna come back? What is your plan?
Yes, ma'am. I want to go as a. I want to go for a visit, not for some time. I just want to visit. I don't want to stay there because I like our country.
Oh, that's so nice of you. That's great. So you are planning to settle
Yes,
down
ma'am.
in India only.
Yeah, in India.
And what if you
I
get a
like my
chance to
native
settle
place.
down there? What if you get a chance to settle down there? For example, you get a good job and that job compels you to stay there only. Then what would be your take on that?
Ma'am, in future, if I will get chance, then I will think about that. I will think about that. I will not take this decision immediately. I will think about that. Yes,
Wow,
ma'am.
that's great. That's great. So
Yes,
anything
ma'am.
else you wanna ask or we should call it for the day?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, what did you say?
I'm
I didn't
saying
get your question.
yes, I am saying that anything else you wanna ask or you wanna talk about or we should call it for the day?
Yes. I want to I want to appreciate you just because you are very energetic and enthusiastic, motivational. I can say because I have watched your video. I learned a lot of things from your video. You are doing great job. You are uploading your video. You are helping the people. So I can say that you are great. You are wonderful.
Oh,
You are
thank you so
doing
much, Lakshmi,
amazing.
for your kind words. Actually, I started this journey just because of me only. To be very frank, I didn't have that idea that I'll be going to start a professionally YouTube channel because I just wanted to post my videos on the YouTube and I just wanted to have a look on that videos that what all mistakes I am making and actually what are the expressions we are using. Are we looking good while speaking in English? Are we looking good while talking to anyone? So this was the motive behind posting the videos on the YouTube. Then people started liking the videos. Then I thought, okay, if someone is getting any kind of benefits by watching my videos, then I should continue it. So this was the only reason that I started it as a we can say as a profession, that okay, I'll be continuing the YouTube.
Yes, ma'am. So, ma'am, I
Yes.
have a question to you. That how did you learn, and from where you learned this good English, and you are speaking very well, and yeah. So because of you, and we are getting inspiration. So how did you learn, and how long you are practicing English speaking?
See, I am not that beginner that I don't know English. I know English because I have studied English throughout my studies. So English is not a basic language for me, but yes, when it comes to the speaking part, I was not speaking in English at all. Then in this lockdown, I thought that okay, I should start speaking in English now. So I explored so many YouTubers videos on the YouTube. Then from there I get this idea that okay, I'll be going to learn this spoken English part. So I started imitating the YouTubers. I used to note down their script as they used to speak. Then I used to imitate them before the mirror and before the camera. And then I extend the way of like watching the English content and reading the books as well. Then I saw that people are conversing on the YouTube platform. That, but yes, the practicing part helped me a lot. It was not about the only practicing myself. That was not actually good enough for the practicing for the good spoken English. So this practice is giving me a lot. This helping me a lot.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have to ask you one more question. That many people suggest that if you will practice in front of mirror, then you will improve your English speaking and your confidence. So, ma'am, what do you think about that?
See, I have also done that practice. I also used to stand in front of the mirror and used to speak the content. Yes, that has helped me a lot. That has taught me that how do I look when I speak to the people. So my funda was not to practice English that time. My funda was just to watch my expressions. Am I able to convey my message to the people fluently or not? But yes, you should try speaking in front of the mirror. But now YouTube has given us a great platform. So instead of standing in front of the mirror, we should prefer to converse like this. This is the best way. Yes.
Okay, great, ma'am. Great.
Yes.
Your English is fantastic. So, can you give me some tips to improve my speaking?
Yeah, I have only one tip, that you are speaking so well. You just need to practice with the different people. Whenever you get time, you just practice your spoken part.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I will practice. I will
Yes,
practice.
yes. So Lakshmi, I think we should call it for the day. It's very nice talking to you. Thank you so much for giving your precious time to me.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. I'm very grateful to you. Thank you, ma'am.
Same here, Lakshmi. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye, Lakshmi.